pilot program, this is the whole epiphany that I had. So we had one conversation. I met you in happenstance, seeing some posts in the group, and you were one of the speakers. And then I reached out, and you were the only speaker in that group that responded to me. One of the other speakers just didn't join the meeting, and the other said, "I'm busy till 2028. I'm like, okay, yeah, so short conversation, got to know each other, loved it, really fun, just great energy. The little nuggets you started laying out for me, I didn't even realize how powerful they were. I go back after our conversation and I start, wait, and things start clicking, and I'm attaching this graph in my head, like, oh, that's what he said, and that's how this works, and this is how we communicate. And then what's so important that I learned not only was a sequence and like a flow charting and figuring out how to communicate in a manner that draws connections in, right? And the one thing, the most powerful element of the process that Troy taught me is the organic, true and honest element of just wanting to get to know